Welcome to Marketing Communications. This is lesson 3. In this lesson, you cover promotion opportunity analysis. Okay. So what is promotion opportunity analysis? It's actually the process that marketers use to identify the target audience for the company product and services, and at the same time communicating to their audiences. Okay. So basically, in terms of promotion opportunity analysis, there are 5 steps that a marketer needs to consider. Number 1 is to conduct communication market analysis. Number 2, establish marketing communication objective. Number 3, create a budget. Number 4 is to prepare a promotional strategy, and number 5 is to match tactics with the strategy. Okay, step 1, communication market analysis. So what does it mean? When you talk about analysis, who do you analyze? You analyze competitors in the market, opportunities, target market, customers, and product positioning. So when you talk about in terms of competitors, so who do you identify? Who are the major competitors? And what are the communication strategies of these major competitors? So where do you find the source of information? Secondary data, other people observation, other people's comments, or primary research to conduct a survey. Okay, opportunities. So what are opportunities? Opportunities whereby you can say that markets that are ignored by the customer, saturated market, benefits of the product that are not clearly articulated, the marketing approach towards the promoting the product or the brand positioning. So these are opportunities that marketers can take in order to promote their product into these markets or this area or these customers. Okay, target market. So what are the target markets? So the benefits sought, the methods of reaching the market, the appeals of each market, the needs not met in this market, and the demographic and the psychographic profile of each market. So all this, if a company is able to analyze their target market, they are able to position their product to meet the target market. Okay. So in terms of customer types, there are basically 3 customers type that we are looking at. First one is the current company customers or competitors. You go and pinch for competitors, or potential customers who have not purchased the product yet. So these are potential markets that the company can penetrate to. So when we talk about product positioning, firstly we talk about positioning in terms of the perception. What does the consumer has in mind concerning the product in the mind of the consumers? Or we product position created by factors such as the product quality, the prices, the distribution, the image, and marketing communication that is being conducted for the product. So these are the ways you can position the product. So in terms of strategies, these are the ways you position your product according to attributes, competitors, use or application, product price or quality, product user, product class, or cultural symbol. Step 2. Okay, after you have already analyzed the market, you're looking at establishing your communication objective. The objective would be number 1, to develop. Part of objective could be develop brand awareness, increase the demand for the product, change the belief or attitude towards your product, enhance purchase action, encourage repeat purchase, build customer traffic, enhance the company's image, increase the market share, or increase sales. Okay. Step 3. Basically, we're looking at the type of budget. Okay, the types of budget in order to come up with the communication plan. So we have percentage over sale, meet the competition, what we can afford, objective and task, payout planning, quantitative models. Percentage over sales basically means that if, let's say for example, if you make 10 million, if you make 1 million in sales and you take a percent, maybe you spend 1% on doing the advertising. Meet the competition, that means whatever the competitor is doing, you're also doing the same. For example, every Friday you look at newspaper, you probably see a Tesco advertisement, you probably see a Carrefour, and you probably see a Giant advertisement. So these are the 3 hypermarts competition. Okay, what we can afford basically means that basically it is up to the director of the company to determine, okay, this is the amount that we're going to use for communication to the customers. Okay, object and task basically means, okay, you plan your budget according. Okay, this is objective. I want to reach out to, let's say, 1 million customers, and this is the task I have in mind, and therefore we pay the amount. Okay, payout planning is basically you plan how much you want to pay or how much you want to spend. Okay, quantitative model basically means you use statistical calculation to determine your budget. Okay, step 4. Okay, create communication strategies. Okay, you must have a broad long-term guidelines. What are the communication strategies you use, and look at opportunities and threats to this communication strategy, and try to have it try to have the communication strategies to fit with the overall company message, image and trim, and the reputation of the company. Okay. And in terms of step 5, basically in terms of what are the match the tactics to the strategy. For example, you have specific advertisement, personal selling enhancement, sales promotion, trade promotion, price of the product, or packaging design and labeling of the product. So this is to match the tactics, to match the strategies in order to communicate with the customers. Okay, so when you talk about marketing, when you talk about positioning, before you can actually position product, you must be able to segmentate your market. So basically, segmentation is basically to divide your market, to divide your market according to demographic segmentation of the market, or basically to differentiate each of the market. Then from there we can look at the market, we can look at this is a target consumer for this A product, and this is a target group for this B product. Okay, so in terms of consumer segmentation, there are many ways to do it. You can do it demographic, psychographic, by generation, by geographic, by geodemographic, by benefits of the product, or by the usage of the product. In terms of business to business segmentation, you can do it segmentate by industry, size of business, geographic location, product usage, or customer value. Okay. So in terms of global integrated marketing communication, we are looking at the borderless marketing plan. We have to, if you all talk about going international with your marketing communication, we have to think global, but to act on local, because you're trying to fit into the local culture. We are trying to strategize local partnerships, segmentation strategies to meet the local market, and basically you come up with a communication analysis and communication objective. So that's all for lesson 3. We'll see you again in lesson 4. Thank you.